Ever feel like stress sneaks up on you? You're going about your day and suddenly your body feels tense, your shoulders are tight, and your mind is racing with 100 different thoughts. Before you know it, you're completely overwhelmed and you're not even sure what triggered it. This kind of stress builds up over time, often without us realizing it, until it starts affecting our focus, mood, and even our sleep. But the good news, you can train your nervous system to calm down quickly so stress doesn't take over your entire day. That's exactly what we're focusing on in today's video. Two simple yet powerful techniques that help you reset your stress response in minutes. And of course, I've got a special tool to help you track your progress this week. Let's get started. Last week, we talked about how stress affects your body and mind, and I gave you a stress tracker to help you identify your personal stress patterns. If you used it, you might have noticed that stress shows up in more ways than you realized. Maybe it's tension in your shoulders, racing thoughts, or even snapping at people without knowing why. I'd love to hear what you discovered. Drop a comment below and share one thing you noticed about your stress patterns. If you haven't downloaded your stress tracker yet, go grab it now. It's still available in the description below. Now that you're more aware of your stress triggers, today's focus is on how to interrupt the stress response in real time so it doesn't take over your entire day. We're going to cover the number one reason most people can't calm down quickly, why breathwork is one of the fastest ways to reset stress, two simple but powerful techniques you can use anytime, anywhere. When you're stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode. Your brain is basically sending an emergency alert, telling your nervous system, "We are in danger!" The problem? Most of the time, we're not actually in danger. We're just overwhelmed by deadlines, responsibilities, or even our own thoughts. So, how do you convince your nervous system that you're actually safe? The fastest way is through your breath. Breathing is one of the few things in the body that's both automatic and controllable. And when you intentionally slow down your breathing, you're sending a signal to your brain that says, "We are okay. We can relax now." Breathwork technique number one, the physiological sigh. The first technique is the physiological sigh. It's one of the fastest ways to lower stress and reset your nervous system in seconds. This is actually backed by neuroscientists like Dr. Andrew Huberman, and it's incredibly effective. Here's how you do it. Take a deep breath in through your nose until your lungs are about 80% full. At the top of that inhale, take a second, smaller inhale through your nose to completely fill your lungs. Then exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's do it together. Breathe in. Now take a second sip of air and exhale slowly. Feel that difference? It works almost immediately. Why it works? This technique forces the body to release carbon dioxide buildup, slowing your heart rate and reducing anxiety. When to use it? When you feel overwhelmed, anxious, or overstimulated. Breathwork technique number 2, box breathing. The second technique is box breathing, and it's a favorite among athletes, Navy SEALs, and high performance professionals because it helps regulate stress and keep the mind focused under pressure. Here's how you do it. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. Exhale through your mouth for 4 seconds and hold again for 4 seconds. Let's try it together. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it together. Repeat this 3 to 5 times and you'll notice a huge difference. How this works: it slows your heart rate, improves focus, and brings your body into balance. When to use it: when you need to stay calm under pressure, like before a meeting, a presentation, or a tough conversation. So here's what I want you to do this week. Pick one of these techniques and practice it every day for at least 5 minutes. To help you stay consistent, I've created a breathwork tracker where you can log your daily practice and write down how you feel after each session. Over the course of the week, you'll start to notice patterns in when and how your body responds to stress. Even just a few minutes a day can make a huge difference in how you feel. So stick to it, and next week we'll take it a step further. Now that you're learning how to reset your nervous system in the moment, next week we're tackling stress prevention because, let's be real, stress isn't just about what's happening in the moment. It's also about the boundaries we set or don't set in our lives. So in week 3, we're talking about how to create boundaries that actually work, so you're not constantly overwhelmed by everything and everyone around you. For now, download your breathwork tracker, practice your breathing, and I'll see you next week. Oh, before you go, let me know in the comments, have you ever tried breathwork before? What's your go-to way to calm down? I'd love to hear from you. And of course, hit the like button, subscribe so you don't miss next week's video. You are doing amazing. See you soon.